Like one of my relatives, he works close by. He got me like a few dabbas of gulab jamun. Okay, we ate the gulab jamun. I was feeling so confused to throw away that liquid. Na. So I used that liquid, which was flavored
Wow.
with elaichi, saffron, and stuff like that. I don't know if it's real saffron, but I used it to make suji ka halwa. I say.
Hi.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too, but it's weird to see you like
See,
this. I mean, I'm so used to seeing you in person that this
yeah,
seems a little bit weird, but such is the time. What to do? I think we
yeah.
all have to be home and we all have to be safe. So, this is the best way to connect with friends and family. Yeah, so today's agenda is to have a chat about the times that we are in. And Gurjis would like to tell that what we were up to before the lockdown happened and what do we do now.
We did actually put out a few videos. Soulful Sikkim from our last trip. They were very well received. People loved it quite a lot. People loved the music. People loved the characters, the food, everything in it.
And we're very thankful for it actually. I'm so
And yeah,
happy that it was received very well. I
yeah,
really thank each and every one of you who sent out like beautiful messages and comments and likes and shares and every each and every of that means a lot. Yeah.
thank you so much for all the love and appreciation because it requires quite a lot of hard work, a lot of time, a lot of effort that we put into it. So thank you so much for that. And now we are working on the next part of the trip from the same trip actually. So one was Sikkim, the next part was Darjeeling, and we've been still working on it. But due to certain these technical snags and lockdown and everything, we have not been able to put it out. But hopefully, very soon we'll put it out.
Yeah, hopefully keeping our
Yeah.
fingers crossed and praying
So
for things to get normal, things to get fine for everyone. And
yeah,
we all should come out of it, more compassionate, stronger than before. And I
yeah.
hope it really does good to us. I mean, this has become quite heavy. We were thinking of doing a fun chat. So, talking about fun and talking about Soulful Sikkim, we have someone joining us. And Gurus, are you excited?
Very excited.
Yeah, so,
I can't be as excited as her. She's
yeah,
a natural, but I'll try my best to match up.
fine. Yeah.
Your energy and your camaraderie is something that everyone talks about.
Yeah, so let's get her on board without wasting much time. Let me call her.
Yeah.
You stay with me.
Okay.
Okay. So,
I
Oh,
don't know
hi.
what's on.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, finally. Can you see?
Yeah, what's up? Are you guys alive?
Oh yeah, I'm alive and kicking.
What's up? You guys are in different parts of Delhi, na?
Yeah, yeah, very different parts.
Yeah.
Not very.
hi! Finally, everyone
Finally,
is
Neeru has also joined
okay.
us.
Yay! How have you been, Yanglu?
Good, yeah. Cooking and cooking every day. No
I
option of eating out.
I
Oh, but
know.
yeah,
I miss eating momos
seems
so
like
much. I can't.
you're
And you
not
keep on
missing out
putting
on anything.
momo posts all the time. You're
I
teasing
know.
us all the time with the delicious food that you keep on making. Guys, anyway, if you don't know, please follow Yang Lu on Instagram. She is going to really torture you with her delicious food on her stories.
At the moment.
But
Yeah.
actually, momos are the simplest thing to make. Like,
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
really, the shape doesn't have to look like momo, na? The filling has to be good.
I
yeah.
agree with that. But
Yeah.
still,
Yeah.
you need to have
So,
some kind of equipment to be able to make it, right? Like,
The steamer.
no, you
yes.
can always make gyoza on a frying pan.
Oh yeah, like yeah, that's the actually backup. We're thinking like I'll just make something and then I'll fry it. At least we'll have fried momos.
Yeah.
No, you can also have wontons, na? Just
Yeah.
boil it. Mm.
Mm.
Mm,
Actually, we
okay.
can do something like that. You send me a recipe.
Uh,
We'll try and make it.
yeah.
Gurjas at his place and me at my place. Yeah.
I've been
Possibly.
telling all my friends also, like, don't watch all these American YouTubers and YouTubers abroad. Like, they are using ingredients that are not available right now. I've been telling everyone, watch the Indian housewives. Okay, they are
Oh yeah,
killing the
they are
skin
killing it.
right now
Like
with
making,
like 100 ways to use besan.
Yeah.
yeah.
Absolutely. How's the situation in Sikkim? How Sikkim is dealing with the situation? What are the lockdown rules and everything?
Yeah, so since the beginning of lockdown, like since it was announced on 24th night, right? But here I think people were expecting it to happen sooner. So most of the places were shut down before that. Like I shut down 4 days before lockdown. So most of our staff and all had left, and we were already prepared. Like we had already bought ration for about a month, and everything was fine. Because our state is so sparsely populated, and because we have very tight borders also, very few areas which are porous areas. So law and order, the administration, everything is working so well. Everybody has taken it so seriously. Nobody is taking it lightly, that we've had a total of only 48 tests done and all came back negative. We have
Okay.
4 or 5 really good quarantine centers doing really well under the various different SDMs of that area. They are taking it really seriously. And yeah, people are also not going out. And even the like for there are few delivery agents, like I think 2 or 3 of them, and even the shops, they are all allowed to operate. And they are allowed to, like, move only, even vehicular movements only between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. unless
Hmm.
it's like medical emergency. So very few people outside, you'll hardly see. And ration is available. Huh? We are getting it, like the first few days, people were not finding maida and salt and stuff like that, but now everything is available. And
Okay.
vegetables, so anyway, like, yeah, we are getting it like, quite often.
Okay, okay. Speaking of vegetables, how are you in using your ingredients? Like, how are you utilizing them to its maximum
So,
capacity and not letting
yeah,
it go waste? And how are you avoiding food wastage and in
I'm,
usage of ingredients?
I'm avoiding leafy greens right now, like, because the day you buy it, you have to use it within 1 or 2 days, right? So I'm buying a lot of iskus. Iskus is chayote. I
Yeah,
don't know what to call
the
it there.
squash
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, and potatoes and carrots, capsicum, things that stay in the fridge longer. And one tip I'll say, like leafy greens, like if you like clean them and wrap them really well in cling film. Like you wrap it really well, there's no air, it stays
Mm.
for 2 weeks in the fridge.
Mm.
But otherwise, if anything goes a little old, like if I don't feel like eating sabzi out of it, like I just chop it up and I make
Mm.
pakoras.
Mhm.
Because anything beef
Can you
Chinese
say pakoda again, please?
pakora, that, or like just like the other day I used like one whole cauliflower and put it in the fried rice, and I swear it was rice and cauliflower equal, and you could not taste the cauliflower. So I was feeling like it's a healthier version of fried rice. So
Mm.
you just put it in that manual chopper, and that the one that everybody has, pigeon
Yeah,
wala.
that pigeon one. My mother is using the same one for onions and she loves it. She's like, there's
Yeah,
no better chopper for onions than this one. I said, and then
yeah,
every time she says it, I remember you because you say the same
yeah.
thing.
It's so amazing how atta, maida, and besan, how these three things are so versatile. You can make so many things with it. Like now, it's like time
Even
to,
suji also.
yeah, suji also. Oh my God, suji also. Yeah, suji also.
Well, I think Gurjas has something to add to it. He has been cooking very often every day at his place.
Yeah, I'm surviving.
No, the other day he made pav bhaji.
No, I
Yesterday he
make
made
power.
sambar.
The deal is that there's a company, whatever, like even Niru knows about, and
Ah,
they make a lot of masalas, ready-made masalas. You just need to put that into your dish, and you're good to go. So they've
mm.
got pav bhaji, they've got pulao, they've got chole, everything, everything. So you just put it, and it actually tastes like how it's supposed to be. So yeah, that's something that I'm employing very generously, and it's helping me a lot. I've made a
Yeah.
pav bhaji. Like I've never made pav bhaji in my life, but I made it 2 or 3 times now. So I'm making mostly mixed veg. It's easier. But because I tend to overboil it sometimes, it ends up becoming pav bhaji for the next day.
So good, na good. So that's what nobody is wasting anything right now. So
I actually
I
read
used to
your
make.
dad had written something about not making more dishes.
Yeah, the second day of lockdown, I had sent a picture of my lunch to my dad, and there was like rice and two sabzi and one gravy dish, and he was like, "Pap laksa" in Nepali, like like don't
Paap
do this, like
lagega.
cook pap lagega, like make only one dish, like don't do this.
Yeah.
So I'm seeing a lot of my friends who never cook. cook on Instagram. So it's good. People are. I want to add one more thing, that is like, like I know, like, we are privileged, like we have access to all the ingredients, but I feel like, avoid baking right now. There's like just too much of
Oh,
like.
Neeru, that's for you.
How long this is going to go on for, like, like we don't know
No,
how
no,
long it's going.
no,
I feel
no.
like, we
So,
should stick to Indian rotis and naan and chapati and tandoori roti, whatever, on a tawa, because I feel like, baking breads and baking cakes and stuff like that, they're just like too many ingredients go in and it feeds too less people, and it's not even a major meal, it's just a snack, like, and you can make a snack with just onion and besan also. During the world wars, how people used to ration stuff, like
yeah.
that was the time when people started using potato peels to make potato crisps. So, so just like, you tend to get more creative when you're restricted.
Yeah, absolutely. No, actually, I have been baking because see, at my place bananas were going bad, so I made a
I said,
banana cake out of it. Yeah, instead of like throwing it away, I was like, "Chalo, I'll make a cake." And I have ingredients like maida and chini at home all the time, so I thought I'll use it to that. Even during World Wars, what they used to do, they used to make pound cakes, like pound chocolate cake, pound cake. So what happened was that if you're hungry, you have little bit of it, you have energy to deal with it because it's sugar, it's fat, right?
Yeah.
So similarly, I thought I'll keep like two sponges ready in case somebody is hungry and you cannot have bread or roti or something. You have that one slice and you're good to go. Like, so it's filling. So
that argument is like, it makes sense, obviously, but I've never felt so confused for maida and chini in my entire life, like I'm feeling right now.
the other day, my mother was saying, "Let me make puri," and I was like, "No, mama, don't make puri. A lot of oil goes into it. Let's save it."
So make it in a small pot, na. No, I
No,
was.
she eventually did make puris, but the only problem is that you can once you make puri in oil, you cannot use the oil again. So, or people do
But
actually use it again.
one hack that I did, that Gits wala company that sells mithais in.
Yeah.
So like one of my relatives, he works close by. He got me like a few dabbas of gulab jamun. Okay. So we ate the gulab jamun. I was feeling so confused to throw away that liquid. Na. So I used that liquid, which was flavored
Wow.
with elaichi and saffron and stuff like that. I don't know if it's real saffron, but I used it to make suji ka halwa. I said,
No,
Yeah.
like what this is what we're doing. Like if the milk is going bad, it's going to expire. My mother is making kheer. I made bread pudding because the bread was expiring. So we are
we
kind
cannot
of.
bread in Sikkim. You have no idea.
Uh, why don't
Yeah,
you
but
make your
that
own bread? I'll send you the
that was
recipe.
always a challenge. I remember even last time you had mentioned that it's not readily available bread.
Yeah, actually, the thing is, no, I live quite far away from the capital and we are on the highway, we're in the middle of nowhere. So we were quite prepared because, anyway, we stock that much food. Like, I have so much of frozen peas, corn, French fries. I think I have like around 15 kilos of French
Oh
fries.
wow.
And
She's
like,
running her own McCain.
I haven't touched it. And I have frozen fish and frozen seafood and stuff like that. But like that is like so not like you don't, when you have it, like you don't feel like using it. Like I'm more interested in eating aloo and atta maida ka stuff. Like I've
Actually,
never
it's very tasty. All aloo maida, and that stuff is really
atta.
tasty.
So also right before the lockdown, I don't know why I went to the Kirana store and I bought so much of pani puri packet. Those ready-made
Wow.
But I'm telling you, I find myself so lucky that we are in such a geographically we are isolated, yes, but otherwise also, like the way that the government has responded, the way that people are like everybody is reporting like hoarding, price rise, black marketing, everybody is reporting it, and like things are just happening so much smoother than the other states. Like even in the market that happens every Sunday, Lal Bazaar, you guys went to Lal Bazaar, right? One of the episodes of Soul Sikkim, the way people are behaving so well, they are maintaining social distancing so nicely, like like it's amazing. I think that's why we have zero cases. I think only 3 states have zero cases of COVID right now, right? Sikkim,
Not sure, but are the markets open? Hello.
The Lal Bazar market is open.
I think Yang's connection is frozen. We might have to add her back again.
It's funny how she's frozen.
Yeah, she's just like inquisitively frozen.
Yeah.
the Wi-Fi stopped working. We had a hailstorm yesterday.
Yeah, I saw your update. There were these many big hailstorms I saw.
Yeah. like naphthalene balls.
No, we had a hailstorm a couple of days ago. It looked
That
like
was
snowfall.
very weird. It was like snowfall, and that has never happened ever in my lifetime in Delhi. That happened in March.
Usually we get hailstones every year around this time here. But this time it was too big. It was like naphthalene balls, yeah. Everybody's plants died. I'm sure the farmers are not happy. And lots of people are feeding stray animals. I feel like stray dogs have never been fed this much, like in their whole life. So everybody's like just doing their bit.
How are you
I'm
keeping positive? You and Gurjas, both of you keeping positive under such a time. And I'm sure there are people out there who are struggling to be at home, who are struggling to actually not have a normal routine of going to an office and coming back. So, what do you have to say to them to be, to how to utilize their time well and how to stay positive and happy?
we're just first. How are you saying?
I am just cooking. That's what my job is right now. Like, so
Oh,
And
it's
I
like
also,
see.
I think he
I
plays
wake up,
music
I
for his
make
parents.
There's a
breakfast,
food
then lunch,
channel,
and
let
then
him
dinner.
cook.
Yeah, that's all I do.
There's a
And then in
food channel,
between,
let
I
him. For me, I feel like there is no reason why I should be negative at all. Like I have no kids at home. I don't do that work from home. I'm just relaxing. Okay.
wow.
No kids. Oh my God, no kids at home. It's just me and Ola. And I was telling Ola the other day, it feels like we're in college or something. It's like just sit, eat, sleep, watch Netflix, just and of course, I do stay active all day. I'm cooking all 3 meals, whether or not there was a lockdown. Anyway, that was my normal routine. But otherwise, now I'm getting a lot of time to, like tend to my plants individually and then spend more time with the dogs and just just generally like go to those corners of the house that have like colonies of spiders living in them. And just now extra time is there to do extra things. So, but otherwise, no reason to be negative. Just feel really lucky to be in an amazing place to live in. It's just that
No,
we
no,
can't order.
I am very jealous of you guys, to be honest. Yeah. I'm always, since the time I've come back from Gangtok, I'm jealous. Like,
That's a negative feeling to have.
there's not a
Jealous.
negative feeling. I envy you guys. That's all.
Oh,
I
thank
envy
you.
you
Oh
for,
my God.
I envy you for the
I must
kind of
take a black
beautiful.
pill here.
Yeah, I like Sikkim. Like of all the cities that I have visited throughout this journey, like we are doing, and even otherwise when I travel, I think the
Oh.
most loving and happy, considerate people that I've come across is like from Sikkim, and from
No, I love people from
Gangtok.
Assam also. They're very sweet
Yeah,
and
Uh,
they were very sweet, no doubt.
Niru is doing to stay positive. Go.
lovely. No, I love the entire Northeast actually. I think I've had amazing times in Nagaland,
Yeah.
amazing times in Assam, amazing time in Sikkim, and lovely memories from Darjeeling as well. So yeah, I love full Northeast, like that whole belt and that side. I love the people.
Even I do. And this is not just to say, like, praise anyone or just for the fact that we have to tender to the audience or something, but I genuinely do. Like, the kind of love that we still get in the comments, if you'll read them, it will be very obvious that people just love you genuinely. It's very genuine love. It's
By the
not
way,
made up. Yeah.
coming to the comments, gang, what do you have to say about
Oh,
all the
yeah.
comments?
Let's
There were
talk about
marriage
all the comments.
proposals,
Because
marriage
recently,
proposals.
So I'm going through the comments, first few comments that you sent me. Some I'm just seeing, and like every hour I'm checking the comments and replying, trying to reply, trying to like, Then after some time, I just felt like, oh my God, like this thing is really beyond us. Yeah, like lots of people telling me like, start a YouTube channel or no, but I feel like, it's
every
never.
second comment.
But honestly, it's never going to happen for me because you guys make it look easy. It looks like you just have to cook and all. Who is going to do all this shooting, angle, put again, do again, fry again, cut again, edit the video? Oh my God, people didn't see. There were like 4-5 months of work in that video. So I don't think it's okay to put out mediocre content out there.
But your food is going to be excellent. So anyway, it is not going to be mediocre. You can
Yeah,
just like put.
if you want my food recipes, follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, I think a lot of people do actually already.
Yeah, lots of people are following, and it's really nice. People send me messages like when
Arey,
they've tried the
my
recipe.
my cousins who live in Punjab, okay, my cousins who live in Punjab, they were like, Yang was cooking this today. The Yang was, I was like, how do you know what is she cooking? No, we followed her. I was like, okay, yeah.
I think,
So
yeah,
nice.
again, that's also a regular part from our conversation. What is Yang cooking today?
And my
हाँ,
father, oh,
Chicken.
my father just loves you. He just always like, आज Yang ने क्या बनाया? What is Yang cooking? Like he absolutely loves you.
Yeah, I
maybe
think,
today I
yeah.
make YY. First time since lockdown, no, I've made YY because Ola was like, "You never make YY, only let's have YY." I was like, "Okay."
No, after coming back, I had Vai with that moola achar and that
Yeah,
mustard
I
oil
love
that you
that.
had given, no?
Mm.
So we
Yeah.
cracked this thing, or we put masala, we put the oil, we put moola achar, and we had it. It was so nice. Thank you so much. Anyway, it was lovely catching up with you, and I'm so happy to see you again. I wish we
And
get to
Gurjas
see
to
you.
post more on Instagram. Yeah, I see Niru dancing around and all. Gurjas is nowhere. Even followed Gurjas on
I don't
Instagram.
have I don't
Active.
have an interesting life. I don't have that much of an interesting
See,
life.
I'll tell you my only way of looking forward to each day now and be excited, be happy, get ready, and be active and be, like physically active is to dance. So I've been just dancing every day on something or the other.
Burn off all your bread butter pudding that you are eating.
Yeah, I'm burning that also. Yeah,
So nice, nice catching up with you guys.
yeah, it
After
was
Yeah.
many days, I got
Yeah.
out of my night suit.
lovely.
Hey,
Also, I think both of you are wearing half pants, na, niche?
I'm wearing like really घर के
Nice,
gozri wale shorts.
nice,
yeah,
nice.
we had to put up the act actually. That's all.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wish to
How are
see you in
your
person very soon.
Yeah, yeah, soon. Okay, after the
Yeah.
lockdown.
Yeah.
Bye,
no,
guys. Take
how are your
care.
puppies?
My
Yeah,
puppies, they're fine.
Yuko and Pumo.
Yuko and Buma are here and they're sleeping under my chair. They won't leave me. They won't give me any privacy in life. They're here. Let me show you one of them. Yeah.
Okay.
Booster.
Oh, she actually looked this
Is that
way.
So
Yuko?
she's there and Yuko is
That's
right
Bumo,
outside
I
the
think.
door.
Acha.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Okay, take
Bye.
care. Bye
See you. Bye
bye.
everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. 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 So that was Yang. I had a lot of fun chatting with her. Obviously, I hope you guys enjoyed too, and we shall see you soon with a new video, hopefully.
We were already had a lot of plans in the offing. There were a few places in the Northeast that we were planning to go to and explore the food. Right now, we will keep it under wraps. Let's see. Okay. Chalo.
Yeah. So I'm saying a little prayer for each one of you. I hope you all stay safe and all stay at home. So, yes, stay happy, stay safe, and we all shall overcome this. And yes, see you soon.
Take care.
Yeah.
Stay safe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stay home. Yeah.
Yes. Also, like and share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And yeah, we shall see you soon in another video. Bye bye. Bye, gorgeous.
Bye bye.
Bye.